Feeling stuck? Unlock your potential. Do you ever feel like something's holding you back? Like you're capable of more but can't quite reach your full potential? We all have dreams and aspirations, but sometimes negative thoughts and self-doubt creep in, creating roadblocks on our path to success and happiness. But what if there was a simple, powerful tool that could help you break free from these limitations and unlock your true potential? What if you could reprogram your mind for success, confidence, and joy? The good news is, you can. And it all starts with the power of affirmations. What are affirmations? Simple words, powerful results. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself either out loud or silently. They are short, powerful phrases designed to shift your mindset and create positive change in your life. Think of affirmations as seeds that you plant in the garden of your mind. With consistent repetition, these seeds take root and grow, transforming your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, your reality. The beauty of affirmations lies in their simplicity and effectiveness. By consciously choosing to focus on positive, empowering statements, you begin to rewire your brain for success, attracting more of what you desire into your life. Breaking free. How affirmations silence self-doubt. We all have an inner critic, that voice of self-doubt that whispers negative thoughts and tries to hold us back. This inner critic thrives on fear, insecurity, and limiting beliefs, often stemming from past experiences or societal conditioning. Affirmations act as a powerful antidote to this negativity, replacing self-doubt with self-love, confidence, and belief in your abilities. When you repeat affirmations consistently, you are essentially reprogramming your subconscious mind, replacing old limiting beliefs with new empowering ones. As you begin to believe these positive affirmations, you naturally start to act in alignment with them, leading to positive changes in your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Affirmations help you overcome perfectionism by shifting your focus from what you lack to what you already possess. They remind you that you are enough, just as you are, and empower you to embrace your imperfections as opportunities for growth and learning. Sarah's journey, from self-doubt to self-love with affirmations. Sarah, a talented artist, struggled for years with self-doubt and fear of failure. She often found herself paralyzed by the thought that her work wasn't good enough, that she wasn't good enough. This constant battle with her inner critic made it difficult for her to fully embrace her passion for art. Despite receiving praise for her work, she constantly compared herself to others, questioning her abilities and holding herself back from pursuing her dreams. The more she compared, the more she felt inadequate, and this cycle of self-doubt seemed never-ending. One day Sarah discovered the power of affirmations. She stumbled upon a book that spoke about the impact of positive self-talk and how it could transform one's mindset. She started by writing down a few simple statements that resonated with her, such as, "I am a talented artist." These words felt foreign at first, but she was determined to give it a try. "My art is worthy of recognition." She repeated these affirmations daily, hoping to rewire her brain to believe in her own worth. "And I am confident in my abilities." Each affirmation was a step towards building a stronger, more positive self-image. Every morning Sarah would stand in front of the mirror and repeat these affirmations with conviction, feeling the power of her words wash over her. She visualized herself as the confident, successful artist she aspired to be. At first it felt strange, even silly. She would often catch herself doubting the process, wondering if these simple statements could really make a difference. But Sarah persisted, and gradually, she noticed a shift. The affirmations began to feel more natural, and she started to believe in the words she was saying. The negative self-talk quieted down, replaced by a newfound sense of belief in herself and her abilities. She felt a sense of peace and contentment that she hadn't experienced in years. As Sarah's confidence grew, so did her willingness to put herself out there. She began to share her art with friends and family, and even posted her work online for the world to see. She started sharing her art with others, eventually showcasing her work at a local gallery. This was a huge step for Sarah, and it marked the beginning of a new chapter in her life. The positive response was overwhelming, and Sarah realized the transformative power of affirmations. The encouragement and praise she received fueled her passion even more. By simply changing her thoughts, she had unlocked a world of possibilities and stepped into her full potential as an artist. Sarah's journey is a testament to the power of positive thinking and the incredible impact it can have on one's life. Your 5-minute daily affirmation practice, a step-by-step guide. Ready to experience the life-changing power of affirmations for yourself? This simple yet powerful practice can transform your mindset and help you achieve your goals. Here's a simple 5-minute daily practice to get you started, a routine that can fit seamlessly into your busy life. First, find a quiet space. This is crucial for allowing your mind to focus and your body to relax. Choose a time and place where you can relax and focus without distractions. It could be a cozy corner in your home, a peaceful spot in a park, or even your office during a break. This could be first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed. Next, get centered. This step is about grounding yourself and preparing your mind for the affirmations. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and bring your awareness to the present moment. Feel the air entering and leaving your lungs and let go of any lingering thoughts. Release any tension or stress from your body and mind. Then, choose your affirmations. These should be positive statements that reflect your goals and aspirations. Select 3 to 5 affirmations that resonate with you and align with your goals. These could be about self-love, success, health, or any area you wish to improve. Write them down on a piece of paper or create a digital note on your phone. Having them written down helps to solidify them in your mind. After that, repeat with feeling. The key is to say them with conviction and truly believe in the words you are speaking. Look at yourself in the mirror or close your eyes, and repeat each affirmation slowly and with conviction. This helps to internalize the positive messages. Feel the truth of the words as you speak them. Imagine the affirmations as already being true in your life. Repeat each affirmation 10 to 20 times. Repetition helps to reinforce the positive beliefs in your subconscious mind. Finally, visualize your success. As you repeat your affirmations, visualize yourself already living the reality you desire. Picture every detail vividly. See yourself as confident, successful, and fulfilled. Imagine how it feels to have achieved your goals. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and accomplishment. Let these positive feelings wash over you, reinforcing your belief in your affirmations. Affirmations for clarity, finding your path, feeling lost or uncertain about your direction in life. These affirmations can help you gain clarity, tap into your intuition, and manifest your dreams. I trust my inner wisdom and intuition to guide me. I am open to receiving clear signs and guidance from the universe. My path unfolds before me with ease and grace. I am confident in my ability to make decisions that align with my highest good. I am worthy of living a life filled with purpose and meaning. Affirmations for confidence, believing in yourself. Lacking confidence or struggling with self-doubt? These affirmations can help you boost your self-esteem, embrace your strengths, and step into your power. I am confident in my abilities and talents. I am worthy of love, respect, and success. I am strong, capable, and resilient. I believe in myself and my ability to achieve my goals. I am proud of who I am and all that I have accomplished. Affirmations for balance, creating harmony in your life. Feeling overwhelmed or out of balance? These affirmations can help you create more peace, harmony, and joy in your daily life. I am grounded, centered, and at peace. I prioritize my well-being and make time for self-care. I am surrounded by love, support, and positive energy. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I choose to focus on the good and find joy in every moment. Ready for more? Are you prepared to take the next step in your journey of self-discovery and personal growth? Deepen your practice with our book and e-course. Our resources are designed to help you unlock your full potential and achieve your dreams. This is just the beginning of your journey with affirmations. Imagine waking up each day with a renewed sense of purpose and clarity. To deepen your practice and unlock even greater levels of success, happiness, and fulfillment, we invite you to explore our comprehensive book and e-course on the power of affirmations. These tools are crafted to guide you every step of the way. In our book, you'll discover the science behind affirmations and how they rewire your brain for success. Learn about the neurological pathways that are activated and how positive thinking can transform your mindset. A wide range of affirmations for various areas of your life, including love, relationships, career, finances, and health. Tailor these affirmations to suit your unique needs and aspirations. Practical tips for creating your own personalized affirmations. Learn how to craft statements that resonate deeply with you and propel you towards your goals. Inspiring stories of transformation and how affirmations have changed the lives of countless individuals. Our e-course offers guided meditations and visualizations to enhance your affirmation practice. These sessions are designed to help you connect deeply with your inner self and manifest your desires. Journaling prompts and exercises to deepen your self-awareness and accelerate your growth. Reflect on your progress and set new intentions with our guided prompts. A supportive community of like-minded individuals committed to personal transformation. Share your journey, gain insights, and find encouragement from others who are on the same path. Visit our website today to learn more and embark on a life-changing journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Your future self will thank you for taking this step. Details in the description below.